Have you recently found yourself in a tough spot with your significant other? Maybe you recently found yourself in a tough spot with your significant other. Maybe you feel like you've lost the spark and you want to reignite that flame. Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're going to reveal some powerful secrets on how to win her heart back and get her begging for your attention. The first step to winning her heart back is truly understanding her. Take a moment to reflect on what made her fall for you in the first place. Remember those little things you used to do to make her feel special? It's time to bring those back into your relationship. Whether it's surprise dates, sweet gestures, or simply listening to her, show her that you still care. Next up, communication. This is crucial when it comes to repairing any relationship. Sit down with her and have an open, honest conversation about the issues you've been facing. Be sure to let her know that her feelings are valid and that you're committed to making things right. Remember, it's important to listen actively and not just hear her words. Now, let's talk about reigniting that flame. Plan a special date night, just for the two of you. Show her that you still know how to sweep her off her feet. Get creative with your ideas and make it all about her. A little effort can go a long way in reminding her of the love you share. While you want to make her feel special, it's equally important to give her the space she needs. Respect her boundaries and give her time to process her emotions. This will show her that you're not only dedicated to winning her heart back, but also respecting her as an individual. As you work towards winning her back, consistency is key. Make sure your actions align with your words. Be patient and show her that you're in it for the long haul. Remember, relationships take effort and dedication. And there you have it, fellas. With these powerful secrets in your arsenal, you're well on your way to winning her heart back. Remember, it's about understanding her, communicating openly, rekindling the romance, giving her space, and showing consistency.